In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include private contributions on your GitHub profile to give your profile an appealing and comprehensive view of your work. If you've ever felt that your profile doesn't fully represent the effort and sweat you've put into your private projects, then this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this guide, you'll have a profile that truly reflects your contributions, both public and private. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the GitHub dashboard. If you're already logged into your account, you should see your dashboard immediately upon entering GitHub. If not, log in using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, turn your gaze towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. This is your portal to various account settings, so click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll notice the Settings option. Go ahead and click Settings to enter the customization area of your GitHub account. Don't worry, this is a safe space where you can tweak aspects of your profile, so nothing you do here is permanent until you explicitly save your choices. Now, on your settings page, you'll be dealing with your public profile. This section controls the visibility of your profile to others and determines what they see when they visit your GitHub. Scroll down gently until you find a section labeled Contributions and Activity. Here lies the key to showcasing your private work. In this section, you'll notice an option called Include Private Contributions on My Profile. When this box is checked, your private contributions merge with public ones, offering a fuller picture of your activity without revealing the specific details of private repositories. Simply check this box to enable the inclusion of your private contributions. Checking this option doesn't expose your entire private projects, but rather enhances your activity graph and contribution count by including your work on such repositories. Once the option is checked, you'll want to confirm this choice. Scroll down just a little bit further, and you'll see a button labeled Update Preference. Click this button to save your changes. This action ensures that your profile now reflects the comprehensive scope of your contributions. And that's it. You're all set. With these steps, your GitHub profile now offers a richer, more complete reflection of your programming endeavors, making it easier for potential collaborators or employers to appreciate your hard work. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like and share this video so others can benefit as well. Thanks for watching.